Need to identify phone numbers with available RCS device status from a large contact list? RCS Device helps check phone numbers in bulk and return available RCS device detection results when data is available. This helps businesses filter contact lists and prepare cleaner messaging data before communication campaigns. Visit NumberCheck.ai and explore the available phone number verification and mobile data detection products. Click Get Started to create a new account or sign into your existing NumberCheck account. Before starting an RCS device detection task, make sure your account has enough credits available. If additional credits are required, please refer to the top-up tutorial. Go back to the product list. Under the mobile phone category, find RCS Device and click Buy Now. Select the country or region that matches the phone numbers you want to check. Choosing the correct country helps the system process phone numbers with the correct country code and format. Upload a TXT or CSV file containing the phone numbers you want to check. One phone number per line is recommended. Click Start Detection to begin checking the uploaded phone number list. The system will process the numbers and return RCS device detection results when available. Once the detection task is completed, open the results page to view the task status and results summary. Review the results and identify phone numbers with available RCS device status when detection data is available. The exact result details may vary depending on the detection data. Click Download to save the complete RCS device detection results for further filtering and analysis. The exported file contains available RCS device detection results for the uploaded phone numbers. These results can help businesses filter contact lists, prepare messaging data, clean customer databases, and analyze phone number quality before communication campaigns. An RCS device result does not guarantee message delivery, user response, or marketing consent. Visit NumberCheck.ai to start checking RCS device results.